Well, guys, we just got down here to this piece of public. Um, we're gonna try to head out here and just try to roost a bird or something like that, or not roost a bird, but just find out where they're roosting. Because I want to say it's probably about maybe 40, 50 degrees out right now, and um, there's no wind whatsoever. So I think with this warm, balmy weather, I think these birds are definitely gonna be gobbling on the roost. So hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully we hear some birds gobbling. That'd be cool, and we can get some more scouting done. But this segment will be part four or part five. I haven't decided yet. I need to figure that out. I want to say it's part five, but I'm not sure. But anyway, this will be titled "Locating Birds." So I'll run through all the different locator calls with you guys that I use on a daily basis when I'm turkey hunting, and figure out how to pinpoint gobblers, the best way to hear gobblers, and etc. So be sure to stick with us. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Right there. Bunch of birds right there. Yeah, we got birds gobbling over there too. Yeah, they're fired up down in there. That's cool. Down over there. Hope you guys can hear that. That's pretty sweet. Well, guys, kind of had a pretty eventful morning. We went out this morning and went and located a bunch of gobblers. Turkeys have been gobbling like mad because we've been experiencing about 60 to 70 degree weather here in Iowa. And went out this morning, got there really early in the morning, about 5:30 in the morning, and about maybe 6:45, 7 o'clock is when they really started hammering. They gobbled a little bit late, but heard a lot of birds, and looks like
gonna have a great turkey season. But another thing I kind of wanted to say is this ground that we're hunting on and this ground that I'm scouting it's public. It's a big chunk of public, and there's a little bit of private. About, I want to say, maybe 160 acres of private that we have access to. It was that private that we scouted in Scouting for Turkeys Part 1, What Did We Find? That was the piece of private that we had permission on, and that public butts right up to that piece of private. And so what's nice is we can hunt on that private and call birds from the public, or we can be on the public and go hunt the private if we get a bird that's fired up on the private. So we can hunt that both ways, or however we like, and that'll be really beneficial when these turkeys start to get pressured, because they start to get pressured, they're going to want to head to the private. And one of the pieces of private that they choose isn't really the safest for them. So, but anyway, kind of just wanted to give you guys that little detail there, and thanks for watching.